control.
Papa Charlie, Papa, this is KC9VKV. Good afternoon, sir.
This is KC9VKV. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Jim. Rob up here in Tiverton, Ontario. Talking through my remote and did a bit of an update. Through equalizer on my Windows 10 mission here, so to make some adjustments to the audio and give me a chance to kind of get things tuned in a little bit. The headset I'm using is doesn't have the best audio to begin with, but we did what we could with it. Anyway, back to you, John. KC9VKV.
Roger, Rob. Well, when I could copy you, I think your EQ curve is just right on. For a remote operation, I think your EQ curve is right on. Roger.
Operation, I think your EQ curve is right on. Roger.
Okay, very good. Well, I appreciate that, and it does sound differently through my phone, and that's been the challenge, is to try and strike a balance with the different inputs. The headset here on the key at home, and the phone when I'm operating away from home, and the phone when I'm in the mobile connected through the Bluetooth. So three very distinct different sounds, but the pass-through equalizer is directly in line with the audio from the computer to the radio, so it kind of it is involved with all three different variations of microphone input, as well as the audio coming out of the speakers. So it's worked pretty well. So anyway, it's as always a work in process, and we're setting it up for the club station, and hoping to open it up for some other operators as well at some point. Make sure that we get everything as best we can before we do that. KC9VKV, V3PCP.
Roger, Rob. Well, I think you've got it going there, buddy. I think your curve on that remote is just fine. You have a good degree of intelligibility, and that's the name of the game. Particularly, when you start talking about cell phones and all that stuff, my Lord, I wish somebody would have set the goal a little bit higher for cell phone frequency response. I really think that they could have set the goal a little bit higher for frequency response on cell phones. Roger?
A little bit higher for frequency response on cell phones. Roger?
Yeah, Roger. I'm actually talking through my cell phone to the remote now rather than the headset, so just curious if you notice any difference in the audio. KC9VKV, V3PCP.
Roger, Rob, I'm not sure exactly what the question was. Did you change something about your audio?
Not exactly what the question was. Did you change something about your audio?
Yeah, I'm talking through my cell phone now rather than the headset, so I'm curious if you noticed any difference in the audio.
Sounds really close. You've got a good degree of upper mids in both, so you have good intelligibility in both of those inputs, Roger?
So you have good intelligibility in both of those inputs, Roger?
Okay, very good. Yeah, I'm still on the cell phone here now. I was going to try and switch back to the computer, but it doesn't like when I log in with two different interfaces with the same account, so I'm back. Anyway, I wanted to hold it up there, Jim. I appreciate your help there and your input as always. We'll look forward to listening to the recording when you get it up on YouTube. So hopefully conditions improve as we get in closer to the cold weather months and so forth. Anyway, 7-3, Jim, good afternoon, and we'll talk to you again soon. KC9VKV, V3PCP.
Roger, Rob. Copying you on the Milford SDR, your 5 over noise level on the Milford SDR, and the intelligibility is very good. So you can hear your audio by going to, obviously, YouTube. Do a call it a search, KC9VKV, followed by today's date, 8/13/21, will take you to this recording. And gosh, I think like I say, for intelligibility, I think, I didn't hear a lot of difference between your local mic and the cell phone. So I think you got that cell phone EQ just perfect. So we'll say 73 up that way, Rob. You have a great afternoon, beautiful weekend, and if you get a chance, join us next Friday. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog.net. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.
Qso-Vlog.net. If you have a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.